So good afternoon, everyone. So today is the third class of CCNA, and so let's do some more practice on subnetting. So today we are going to do subnetting over class C subnet. So this is our network, that is 193. This is class C network, that is 193.168.0.0/24. And here we need 4 subnet. The requirement is 4 subnet. So if we require 4 subnet here, what is the formula for subnetting? The formula which I implement here, that is subnet is equal to 2 power 1. Now, please wait. Rakesh, you are too late. Yes, Rakesh. You are late today.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
No problem. So, Mr. Rakesh, today I'm going to do the same thing. Class C subnetting, we will do some lab on, we will do some practice over CCNA, Class C subnetting. So let us start. Let us start. This is
Last
my net
class was
class.
also class C only, right, sir?
Yeah. We are doing subnetting over class C here.
Yeah,
So
okay.
this is my network here. That is 193.168.0.0. So if we need 4 subnet here, so what is the formula here? What is the formula for subnetting?
2 power n.
Okay, this is my formula right now. So
Yeah.
if you need 4 subnet here, please mute the sound here.
Yeah. Okay.
If we need 4 subnet here, this is the formula. So if n is equal to 1, if n is equal to 1 means what does it means? If I convert one host bit into network bit, then I will get only 2 subnet here. But the requirement is 4 subnet. So here our requirement has not fulfilled. Now again, if n is equal to 2, means if I convert 2 host bit into network bit, then I will get 4 subnet. Now our requirement has fulfilled. So this is my network, that is 193.168.0.0. And now I'm going to convert 2 host bit into network bit. Please wait. Chetan, you are late today. So now I have converted here. Now I have converted 2 host bit into network bit. So the subnet mask. So if you convert 2 host bit into network bit, now the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.192. How 192 comes here? So the bit which you have converted here, the first number will be 128, and the second number will, yes, brother. Okay, so the first number will be 128, and the second number will be 64. So when you add to that 2 number, the result will be 192. So when you minus, we have already aware that the total value of here is 256. So when you minus 192 into 256, we will get 64 here. So 64 is our block size. So the first subnet will be, the first subnet always be 0. The second subnet will be 64. So when you add, so when I add 64 plus 64, 128, this is my third subnet. So when I add 64 again, the result will be 192. So now we have 4 subnet here. So if you convert 2 host bit into network bit, you will get 4 subnet here. The first subnet will be 0. The second subnet will be 64. The third subnet will be 128, and the fourth will be 192. So this is the first subnet, a second subnet, third and fourth. So by using that formula, we will get 4 subnet here. But we should also understand that how much IP every subnet has. So we have one more formula here, that is host is equal to per x minus 2. So x is equal to host bit. So you have already aware that there are 8 host bit, but in that host bit you have converted 2 network bit also. So the remaining host bit will be 6. So the host will be 6 here. So when you implement here, so host is equal to 2 power 6 minus 2. So can anybody will tell me that why minus 2 here? What is the meaning of minus 2? Yes.
Broadcast number is broadcast.
Yeah.
Last one is broadcast and first one IP.
Broadcast number is network number.
Okay, thank you. So the host is so please mute the sound here. So please mute the sound here. So host is equal to 2.6 minus 2. So the result will be host is equal to 64 minus 2 is equal to 62. It means that every subnet has 62 IP address. So here we have implement 2 formula here, one for subnet and one for host. Now again, we will do some more practice. So here we have 4 subnet here. So this is our subnet here. That is 193.168.0.0/26. The third subnet, the second subnet will be 193.168.0.64/26. The third will be 193.168.0.128/26. The fourth one is 193.168.0.192/26. Now I have 4 subnet here. But there is a formula, sorry, there is a logic here, brother. There is a rule here, brother. So what is the rule here? If all bit of host portion is 0, try to understand. If all bit of host portion is 0, then that is called NID. NID means network ID. And if all bit is 1, then that is called BID, broadcast ID. Previously, you have a network that is 193.168.0.0/24. But now you have converted into 4 subnet. 4 subnet means 4 network. So 193.168.0.0/26 is a small network. 193.168.0.64 is also a small network. So previous it was a network that is 193.168.0.0/24. But now you have 4 subnet here. But what the rule is? If all bit of host portion is 0, then that is called NID. So when you converted all subnet into binary, see, now you have 4 subnet here. Brother, can you tell me why 26 here? Anybody? Yes, brother. Why I write 26 here? What do you understand? Yes.
Subnet value mask.
No, I didn't understand. Please explain me.
The subnet value mask is in 26. This is 192.
Not 192, 193.
Yeah.
See, 193 is a 8-bit network, right?
Yeah.
193 is a 8-bit network. 162 is also 8-bit number, 8-bit network. 0 is also 8-bit network. So now you have 24 network bit. But why I have written 26 here?
It indicates the network.
That is what I'm
Number
telling you.
of ones.
Yes.
Number of ones.
Number of network bits. Right now.
Yeah.
So 193 is a 8 network bit. 168 is also a 8 network bit. 0 is also indicating 8 network bit. And what about 2? So in this 8 host bit, this
2 bits are for network.
Ah, yes. See here. See. Now see, 193 is 8 network bit, 168 is also 8 network bit, 0 is also 8 network bit. Now you have 24 network bit. The remaining red color 00, that is also network bit. Understand? That's why I've written 26 here. So what is the rule here? If all bit of host portion is 0, see in blue color, you have 6 host bit here. Now you have 4 subnet here, and everywhere you find 000 there. Now you understand, brother? Brother, you understand? Yes, brother.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. Yeah.
I understand, sir. I understand. The only thing is, I want to know. Okay, that means for the first portion,
Yeah.
the first portion is 000, then
Yeah.
01,
Yeah.
10,
10,
11.
11.
Those are
All
the
exactly. All are
all are
network
what?
bit. Yes.
They are network bits. Okay.
Yes. That's
The
I've
rest
written
are
26
host
here.
bits.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we have one more subnet here. So that is, the requirement is 8 subnet here. So 193.168.0.0/24 is a class C subnet, class C network, but we require 8 subnet here. So the formula is subnet is equal to per n. So if n is equal to 1, please mute the sound here. If n is equal to 1 means now you have only 2 subnet here. If you convert only one host bit into network bit, you will get only 2 subnet there. But if you convert 2 host bit into network bit, then you will get 4 subnet there. But the requirement is 8 subnet here. So again, if n is equal to 3 means the subnet you will get here, that is 8. So you should convert 3 host bit into network bit here. Okay. Now this is your network, that is 193.168.0.0. So now I'm going to convert this 3 host bit into network bit. So if you convert 3 host bit into network bit, so now you have a 27 network bit and 5 host bit. So the subnet mask will be the subnet mask of 24 7 bit is 255 255 255 224. So when you add all 1 1, so you will get 224 here. So when you minus 256 into 224, you will get 32 here. So 32 is your block size. So now you have 8 subnet here, that is 0, 32, 64, 96, 128, 160, 192, and 224. So now you will get 8 subnet here. So this is your 8 subnet. But how we know that how many host bit are here? So again, we should implement the formula here. This is your 8 subnet. So which formula you have to implement here? That is host is equal to x minus 2. So x is equal to host bit. So how many host bit we have right now? So remaining 5 host bit here. So if you implement here, the host is equal to per 5 minus 2. So the result will be host is equal to 32 minus 2 is equal to 30. It means that every subnet has 30 IP address. So now
Hello.
Yes, brother.
Hello.
Yes, brother.
Please, how did you come about 20/27? How did you come about that?
Is this class C subnet, brother?
Yes, it's class C subnet.
So how
yes,
many default network bit are there?
Yeah, class C subnet has is /24. Okay,
24.
so that means we had three host bits, right?
Yes. That's why I've written
Okay,
27
to make
there.
it so that's how it comes to 27. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank
Okay,
you
no
very
problem.
much.
Now I'm going to do some netting on over class B. So
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, brother. Yes, brother.
Please, can you flash the previous slide,
Yes.
the previous slide? I just want to confirm something. Okay, so, okay, I'm coming. 0, 32, 64, 96, 128,
I will send you the
160.
video, brother. I will send you the video.
I know.
Yeah.
32. Okay.
Can I start? Can I start, brother?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'm going to do some netting over class B. So this is my subnet. This is my network here, that is 172.16.0.0/16. So how many subnet we require here? That is 3. So we need 3 subnet here. So for doing subnetting, there is a formula, that is subnet is equal to 2 per n. So if n is equal to 1, means what? If I convert one host bit into network bit, then you will get only 2 subnet here, but the requirement is 3. So please mute the sound, brother. Now again, if n is equal to 2, means if I convert 2 host bit into network bit, then I will get 4 subnet here. Now our requirement has fulfilled. Okay. So this is my network, that is 172.16.0.0. So if you want to do subnetting in class C, you should change in the, you should modify in 4th octet. But if you want to do subnetting of class B, you should modify in 3rd octet. So here 172.16.0.0. So how many bit I'm going to convert? Only 2. So now I'm going to convert this 2 host bit into network bit. So now now I have 18 network bit are here. So the subnet mask will be 255.255.192.0. Anybody has question? No.
So just to clarify,
जी बोले.
in class C, 4th octet is the subnet.
Yeah,
I mean
you
host
can,
bits, right?
Yeah, you can modify in the 4th octet, but in
Okay.
class B, you should modify in 3rd octet.
Okay.
Hello,
Thank you.
hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello,
yes,
sir.
yes, brother.
Please, what you mean is that the question says net 3 subnets. So that means
Yeah.
we can modify with subnet with 4 subnets being the nearest number, or what? Or what are you
Exactly,
saying?
exactly. You are correct. You are correct.
Okay, being the nearest number.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now the subnet mask will be 255.255.192.0. So when you minus with 256, you will get 64 here. So 64 is called block size. So how many subnet we have right now? So you have 4 subnet here. That is 0.0 is the first subnet, and the second subnet will be 64.0. Third subnet will be 128.0. If participant भी late आते हैं क्या करूँगा? Yes, Sunil, you are too late. So the fourth subnet will be 192.0. So by using this formula, we will get 4 subnet here. So now this is our 4 subnet, 172.16.0.0. So now you have 8 network bit are here. The second subnet will be 172.16.64.0. And the third subnet is 172.16.128.0. and 172.16.192.0/28/18. So anybody has some question here?
Sir, why/18?
Why/18? Is this class C network or class B?
Yeah, sir, got it.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry.
So, no problem. So this is my first subnet. This is the first IP address. 172.16.0.1 is the first IP of first subnet. So 172.16.0.0/18 is the first subnet, and this subnet has first IP address, that is 172.16.0.1. But brother, which is the last IP address? You understand or not? Now you have 4 subnet here. The first subnet is 172.16.0.0/18, and the second subnet will be 172.16.64.0. So the first IP of 172.16.0.0 is 172.16.0.1, and the first IP of second subnet is 172.16.64.1. So you know the last IP, or you have any confusion here? The last IP of first subnet. Yes, brother.
Hello, sir.
Yes, brother.
Please, I will still call for explanation for this. Please, can I specifically requested for the copy of the of the video to be sent to our emails. I don't know if you can do us that
Brother,
favor.
it is very difficult, brother. I will send you in group, so please collect it from there, okay?
Okay,
It is very difficult for, please understand, huh?
I understand.
So, do you have any question here?
Yes, this is a bit cumbersome, sir.
No confusion. So the first network will be 172.16.0.0/18. But the first IP of this network is 172.16.0.1. But the last IP will be 172.16.63.254. And the broadcast will be 172.16.63.258. So the subnet mask of /18 is 255.255.192.0. And the second network will be 172.16.64.0. This is the second subnet. And the first IP of second subnet is 172.16.64.1. And the last IP will be 172.16.127.254. And the broadcast address is 172.16.127.258. The subnet mask will be same. So do you have any question here, brother? Mr. Rahim? सब सो गए क्या? Mr. Chetan? Chetan?
No, sir, I don't have any questions.
Okay. Mr. Das? Atanu Das? Mr. Das? Danish? Yes, Danish? Danish, आप?
Yes, sir.
आपको कोई क्वेश्चन है?
No, sir.
ठीक है. आपको समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, yes.
आप तो पहले से मास्टर हैं. अच्छे मिस्टर रहीम. Mr. Sachin. Yes.
Yes, sir. Mr. Rahim, sir. Yes.
You understand?
Yes, sir. I
Okay.
understand.
Mr. Sachin.
Thank-
Sachin sir.
No issue, sir. Yes, no issue, sir.
Okay. Mr. Rakesh.
No issues. I have understood. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Rakesh,
Thanks.
from which place you are?
Currently, I'm in Australia.
Oh, you are in Australia. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
So you are from which place? Kerala, Tamil Nadu,
No, Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Very good. Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Shiva. Shiva.
Yeah, sir. Sure.
आपको
I'm
कोई
from
problem?
Andhra, sir.
Okay, Andhra. Very good.
Yeah.
So do you have any question here?
Sir, actually, third octet last IP is 172.16.63. And
The first IP.
yeah,
You are asking for first subnet or second subnet? Please.
first network, sir.
First subnet. Okay. The first subnet
Yeah.
will be 172.16.0.0/18.
Yeah.
So the
and
first IP will be 172.16.0.1. So
Yeah.
what is your question over there?
Sir, for last IP and broadcast address,
Ah,
0.63 and 0.63 same, sir, but fourth
Where is-
octet,
yes.
0.254 and broadcast address 0.255.
Yes.
So I can't understand that one, why it's like.
Have you attended the last class, brother?
Yeah, sir.
But you didn't understand there.
But last class means it's change in fourth octet, sir. So
So, brother, say
yeah.
how many? Say the first IP will be 132.16.0.1. Right now.
Yeah.
The last will be, because 0 is your network. 0.0 is network.
Yeah. Okay.
1 minute. Sir, why Nazamul Islam? Why 254 is broadcast address? Who told you that broadcast address? 254 is not broadcast address, brother. 255 is broadcast address. Mr. Nazamul, 255 is broadcast address. Where have you written? 255 is broadcast address. So say 172.16.0.0 is the first subnet, and 172.16.64.0 is the last subnet right now. So before 64, 63 will be there, na, brother?
Yes,
That's why I've written the last IP will be 172.16.63.254. This is the only last IP address.
Okay, it's clear.
Okay,
Now
hello,
25.
sir. Hello,
Yes,
sir.
yes, brother.
The first IP, which is 172.16.0.1, does
Yes.
that mean we are taking 0 as the first network? The 0. We are taking the 0, then the second will be 172.16.1.1, then
Yes.
up to the last one, which is we make it the 64th. Are you getting what I'm saying?
See, the first IP is 172.16.0.1. And the last IP of this first subnet is 172.16.63.254.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying. That means the 0, the first IP which carries 0, that one
Yeah,
is
0.
the number one IP.
See. 0.1 is the first IP. 0.2 is the second IP. 0.3 is the third IP. 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. So when when 0.255, so when the 255 will be complete, the 0 becomes 1, then 1.0, then 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. See, there are a lot of IP here.
Okay.
Now you understand now?
Yes.
Okay. So now this is the third network and this is the fourth network. So you have already aware the host formula here. So you can implement host formula and you can calculate the host bit here and host IP address here. So we have one more task here, that is 172.16.0.0/16, but we need 200 subnet here. So if you need, before requirement is very low, but now we need 200 subnet here. So what I will do here, brother, if you need 200 subnet, so same formula we will implement here.
200 na sir.
Yes. No. We need 200 subnet.
Okay, sorry.
200 subnet. Yes. So same formula I'm going to implement here. Subnet is equal to 2 power n. So if n is equal to 1, means if I convert one host bit into network bit, then you will get only 2 subnet here. If n is equal to 2, means if you convert 2 host bit into network bit, then you will get only 4 subnet here. If you convert 3 host bit into network bit, then you will get only 8 subnet here. So now when you convert all 8 host bit, then you will get 256 subnet. Now here your requirement has fulfilled. Understand?
Okay.
Understand now? Or you have some question? If you convert all host bit into network bit, then you got 256 subnet. Now your requirement has fulfilled. So this is our network, that is 172.16.0.0. So now I'm going to convert all 8 host bit into network bit. So now we have 24 network bit and 8 host bit. So the subnet mask will be 255.255.255.250. This is my subnet mask. So now we should calculate the block size here also. So the total value 256. So when you minus 255 and 256, you will get 1 here. So this is the 1 is your block size here. So you have 256 subnet here, 0.0, 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. Here you have 256 subnet here. So see all these subnet here. 172.16.0.0. The second subnet will be 172.16.1.0. The third will be 172.16.2.0. Now you have 256 subnet here. And you know every subnet has 254 IP address. Why? Because you have written 24 there. 24 means say there are 24 network bit. So if every subnet has 24 network bit and 8 host bit, it means that all subnet has 254 IP address. Okay, brother. So now the subnetting of class C and class B I have finished here. So in next class, we will learn supernetting and some more contents of CCNA. Okay, brother?
Yes, sir.
Or I will send you the video today, this video.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Is
So
that
now-
the end of the class for today?
Yes, brother? We always start at 12 o'clock.
Okay.
So you should connect on 12 o'clock, okay, every day.
Okay.
Okay? So now
Because I'm
yes.
connecting from Nigeria, so this it's 7 o'clock. That 12 o'clock in India is 7 o'clock in Nigeria.
Okay, no problem. So now today I have finished class C subnetting and class B subnetting, right? So in next
Okay,
class,
sir.
we will do some more practice over supernetting, and we should also learn some more thing there, okay?
Okay.
So now the class is over.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.